Okay, we're on activity 1 and we're going to go ahead and make the buffer. So I've got beaker number 1. I don't know if you can see the label there, but it's beaker number 1. And in beaker number 1, I have already placed 1.5 milliliters of concentrated acetic acid, 2 molar concentrate. And then we're going to add 13.5 milliliters of water that I already pre-measured to it. Okay, I'm going to swirl this up a little bit. And so this is what I'm going to record the pH of. I've had my pH probe soaking in some deionized water, and then I'm going to add it to the solution. My pH is around 3.23. So you're going to want to write down 3.23 for the pH of beaker number 1 with just the acetic acid in it. So I diluted the acetic acid, now that is a 0.2 molar concentrated solution. Then what we're going to do is in another beaker, I have to dilute my sodium acetate solution before I can pour it in. So I went ahead and pre-measured out 3 mils of a concentrated, it's only 1 molar, concentrated sodium acetate, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour in 12 mils of water to get my 15 mils of 0.2 molar sodium acetate. And what I'm going to do is swirl it a little bit to get it to mix, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this pH probe, rinse it off with some water, and then I'm going to get the pH of the pH of the mixture. So to my acetic acid solution, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my sodium acetate. So now I have 30 mils combined, right? And I just made my buffer solution. So I want to mix this up. I can also just mix it with this pH probe here a little bit. Now my pH is around 4.89. So you're going to want to write down 4.89 for the pH after we combine 15 mils of 0.2 molar acetic acid with 15 mils of 0.2 molar sodium acetate. Okay? Now, I'm going to take out this pH probe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a 15 milliliter portion of this buffer, and I'm going to put it into beaker number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and since it appears that I'll go ahead and measure it because we'll just follow the rules here. All right, so now I've got 15 mils in beaker number 2. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and record the pHs of each one. So just to make sure, so in beaker number 1 with the buffer solution, this is 15 mils of that buffer solution, my pH is around 4.88, and then when I stick it into the other, the pH is also 4.89 actually, 4.88. It's vacillating between the two. Okay, so now I have my 2 beakers, and we're going to go on and I'll fill the burettes, and then we'll type